Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you a new stitch, and it's the Sultan stitch, and this is how it looks like, the front and the back. And for this pattern you need to repeat row 2 until 5. So I'll show you once how you can crochet row 1 until 5, and then you have to rewind the video until you are back at row 2, and then just crochet row 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's get started. I've got a crochet hook 4mm and I've got my yarn. First make a slip knot, and then start by chaining a multiple 4 plus 1. So first make your multiple 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you have your multiple 4, then just add one more chain. For row 1, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, and in the 6th chain make a double crochet. Chain 2, and in that same stitch make another double crochet. So you're kind of making a V in one stitch. Skip 1, 2, 3 chains, and in the 4th make a double crochet. Chain 2, and then again make a double crochet in that same stitch. And this is what you're repeating for the rest of your row until you are having 3 chains left. So 1, 2, 3 chains are skipping, and in the 4th chain make a double crochet, chain 2, and in that same stitch make a double crochet. Skip 3 chains, and in the next one make a double crochet, chain 2, and in that same stitch make a double crochet. Now I have 3 chains left, and in the last chain make 1 double crochet. So here's your row 1. And now let's get over to row 2. Chain 3, turn your work, and in a chain 2 space over here between the double crochets make 4 times a double crochet. So 4 double crochets in a chain 2 space of your row 1. In the next chain 2 space make 4 double crochets. So in every chain 2 space make 4 double crochets. So I'm at the end of my row, and in that last chain of the chain 5 you have over here, in that last one make 1 double crochet. So here's your row 2. Now for row 3, chain 4, turn your work, and this chain 4 counts as a double crochet in chain 1. So between the double crochet of the previous row and your 4 double crochets in that space, make a double crochet. And between the groups of 4 double crochets, so this first group of 4 double crochets and the next group of 4 double crochets, in this space make a double crochet, chain 2, in that same space make another double crochet, and repeat it for this row. So skip these 4 double crochets, and in that space between these 4 double crochets and the next 4 double crochets make a double crochet, chain 2, in that same space make a double crochet. So I'm at the end. I have 1 space left, so these 4 double crochets we're going to skip, and here's a space with the chain turning chains. In this space we are making a double crochet, chain 1, so not 2 but just 1, and another double crochet in this space. So you started with a chain 4 and a double crochet, which was four chains counted as a double crochet in chain 1, so we're ending with a double crochet in chain 1 and a double crochet. Okay, so for row 4, chain 3, turn your work, and in this chain 1 space over here where you did a double crochet, chain 1 double crochet, in this space we are making 2 times a double crochet. So 1 double crochet and another double crochet, and a chain 3 counts as a double crochet. So in a chain 2 space over here we are making 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in every chain 2 space you are making 4 double crochets. So this was my last chain 2 space, and I'm over here at the chain 4 and a double crochet in this space over here. Just make 1 double crochet, another double crochet, and 1 more double crochet. So you are making 3 double crochets in that last chain space. So you had 3 double crochets over here, so you're ending with 3 double crochets at the end. So now for row 5, chain 3, turn your work, skip that 3 double crochets over here, and in its space between the 3 double crochets and the 4 double crochets make a double crochet, chain 2, and make another double crochet. Skip these 4 double crochets, and before the next 4 double crochets you have 1 space over here, make a double crochet, chain 2, and then in that same space make another double crochet. Just continue this until you are at the end. So in this space over here, make a double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet. So we made our last double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and then on top of the third turning chain, you made your chain 3 over here. On top you are making 1 double crochet, so your edges will be nice and straight. And this is how you crochet the Sultan stitch. So just rewind until you are at row 2 and just continue there with row 2, 3, 4 and 5 for the rest of your pattern. And I hope you liked it, and I'm curious what you are making with this stitch. If you are making something with this stitch, feel free to leave a comment. And if you do not want to miss any of my new videos, because I have a lot of things I want to make a video for crochet stitches. If you do not want to miss any of my new videos, subscribe to my channel, put on a notification so you get a message when I uploaded a new video. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.